What's up, guys? It's D, No Wheel Drive 229. And the mod is finished. I know it's been a while. It actually took a while to finish. But without further ado, that's how we looking. I like it. Front splitter, stage 3 is definitely a must on this car. Now, which one did I end up going with? I ended up going with ISpeedTuning, their stage 3 splitter. And it's one of those companies that, you know, looks like it's like made in China. Definitely not made in America. It's definitely cheaper than your American counterparts. ACS Composite, I think, makes some, and I forget some of the other companies that make a front splitter for this car, but they're all at least $900, $1,100. ISpeedTuning's is $400. And just so you can see, I mean, it definitely is not bad. The install is definitely a little sketchy. The holes don't match up. It's definitely, you can tell it's a cheaper product. If I could go back, would I recommend you all buy the ISpeedTuning stage 3 splitter? No. Am I gonna buy anything else from them? I'm not gonna lie, no. This turns out okay just because it saves so much money. But if you are a stickler about quality, or if you really want your stuff to fit perfectly, do not, I repeat, do not buy ISpeedTuning. Me and Calvin installed this, and just the holes didn't line up. We kind of had to just drill and kind of just like make our own holes. I mean, a few of them lined up. It wasn't terrible, but definitely if quality is important to you and not just how it looks in the end, do not get ISpeedTuning. It's definitely, you can tell, you get what you pay for. Pretty much just like in everything in life, you get what you pay for. It's definitely a lower quality front splitter. So I personally am not gonna buy anything else from them. Even their customer service, I reached out to them because I purchased a carbon flash. So I thought that it was gonna be carbon fiber, and it looks great. The black looks fine, so I'm not bugging. But just when I emailed them, the customer service, they were kind of rude. I would definitely not recommend any of you all buy anything from ISpeedTuning. So that's just my personal 2 cents. Don't do it. Just go ahead and pay the extra $300 for a better splitter and a better company. But that's what it looks like. Like I said, definitely doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad, but it's cheap. But it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna leave it on because I already paid for it, and they were tripping. So now we're pretty much full arrowed out. Now I just need to get the wing. So you guys tell me, do you think I should do stage 2 or stage 3 wing? Also, should I black out the tail lights? I'm gonna put a picture up of one with blacked out tail lights. I'll insert it right here, but that's kind of an option I've been kind of toying with. But it's looking pretty good. Now we just need to make it louder. As far as looks goes, I think we're pretty much there. Y'all let me know what you think though. What do you think about the stage 3 splitter? Do you have one? Does it scrape? I haven't scraped yet. I've had it for about 2 days now. I haven't scraped on anything. See it, so it's not any lower than the other one. It's just way more aggressive. So let me know if any of you have used ISpeedTuning. If you haven't, if you went aftermarket, what company did you use? Recommend a good one below, because like I said, ISpeedTuning sucks. I would not recommend them to anybody. But let me know what y'all think about it. How's it look? How's the car as a whole look now? Do I need anything else? What do y'all think? Let your boy know. Like I said, that was just a super brief video, just kind of like an update about the install. Like I said, it took me about, well, it took 2 days only because me and Calvin didn't have all the tools that we needed. So you have to, so those things right there, we didn't have those screws. It's like a weird screw. You're not gonna be able to see it, but so we didn't have that. So I ended up having to go to an actual shop and just borrow their screw. or their screwdriver, their ratchet or whatever, and finish it up. But yeah, so I ended up having to go to that shop and borrow their tool to finish it. Ended up taking about probably 30 minutes total. Me and Calvin worked on it for like 20 minutes to 30 minutes. It was probably like 5 more minutes after I finally got the tool. It was like 5 more minutes just to put those screws in. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Splitters installed. Let me know what y'all think about it. More videos to come soon. We're gonna get a review for y'all. The No Wheel Drive 229.